Hi, I'm Chris Wallace from Walnut Hollow, and today we're going to be talking about the HotMarks. This is a tool that was developed for paper crafters, but you can do other things as well. I wanted to show you some of the things that the HotMarks hot tool can do, and one thing is to personalize. This was using a point and burning onto a piece of cork. I transferred some images onto wood. This is a color image that was transferred and black and white letters that were transferred onto a piece of basswood. The same idea was used on this placemat where the image was black and white and they were words transferred. Remember, you need to use a laser copy in order to do that. The other thing that you can do, another idea is to create pouches. So this was in the shape of a bell, and we put some almonds inside and cut a plastic pouch to put that inside, tied it for a little wedding favor. You can also create jewelry using the hot stamps. This was stamped on thin pieces of wood and then put into a bracelet finding. Also using hot stamps, these little tags were created, adding color after the hot stamping was done and then stamping back on top to create a darker image here and there. We also use it for cutting stencils. So if you would like to make multiple cards, you can cut a stencil, and that's what we did with the bird and the leaves. We also use the hot tool to burn the edges to create more of a vintage look and to write directly onto the paper with the hot tool. There's a hot knife that comes in the tool, and I cut out a foam core board. I cut a square out of the center of the foam core and created a greeting card, and then also a little gift tag using the extra piece that came out of the foam core. So it's just cut with the hot knife. I also used the HotMarks to burn on chipboard, and this was sprayed with glimmer mist and then actually burned directly onto the chipboard, and then after that attached hot fixed crystals onto the chipboard, as well as here's another example of adding hot fixed crystals to paper. This particular card was made with our hot stamps, our alphabet hot stamps. So any of those, this is what the hot stamps package looks like. Any of these you can attach to the HotMarks tool and personalize that way as well. Another interesting technique using the HotMarks is using some of your rubber stamps to emboss onto velvet. So you can emboss on the fabric and create different designs. And if you check back later with us, we'll show you all different kinds. We'll show you the different techniques and how to do them if you're interested in a particular one or another. So thanks for listening today, and we'll see you next time.